Have you ever had refreshing hibiscus tea, also known as Agua de Jamaica? Well, today I want to share with you how easy it is to turn that drink into a paleta or popsicle at home from scratch. The ingredients are 6 cups of filtered water, 1 cup of raw agave, and 2 cups of hibiscus flowers, also known as Jamaica. Add the water to the flowers, bring to a boil, and simmer for 3 minutes. Jamaica, known in English as hibiscus, is actually native to Africa, but it made its way to Mexico through the Spaniards, and it is now cultivated in several states. In Mexico, hibiscus is most commonly found in a tea form, served cold with sugar in what we know as agua de Jamaica. I wanted to present it to you not just as a tea, but as a popsicle, very similar to how I would enjoy it as a child. Paletas or popsicles in Mexico are generally made using very fresh fruits. They're very simple, refreshing, and full of flavor. Aside from the sweetener, this paleta is actually very healthy because it's basically a concentrated tea full of vitamin C, A, E, and some other minerals. This is optional, but I like little pieces of the flowers in my paletas. I really think it brings out a really good texture and flavor. I prefer using raw agave as a sweetener in this recipe because it pairs really well with the strong flavor of the hibiscus flowers. And also because agave was actually one of the sweeteners of choice of pre-Hispanic Mexico. I really feel that paletas de Jamaica are such a beautiful representation of what paletas are in Mexico. I really hope that you try out this super refreshing and healthy recipe at home, especially during a hot summer day. And if you're looking for other refreshing recipes from Mexico, I'll make sure to leave a couple here. Buen provecho.